Students are learning more than just what's in the classroom at Black Middle School. Programs like CLAWS are helping them build confidence, connection, and leadership skills.
So CLAWS is the acronym for Confident Leaders Aligning with Sisterhood. Yes, and so it's an initiative that we created just to get the girls, one, to just teach them how to be leaders, how to cultivate their voices and really establish what that looks like in middle school. So we just really teach them how to, one, understand, their authentic selves and what that looks like, but also help them cultivate this. We teach them like etiquette. We do like different creative things with them, so how to explore expression, whether that's writing, doing verbal, artistic things.
I like that we can all get along together. There's no problems between any of us, and you get to meet new people that you've never known. We all get to have fun amongst each other and just be creative with each other.
And I also like how there's a bunch of different aspects to how it helps me in everyday life.
The school also offers a similar program for boys called Pause.
What's kind of maybe your favorite thing about the club?
When we get to go in, we check in, and we just talk about our lives. We talk about everything that's been happening. There's no judgment. There's no bias. We get to talk about anything, and then we support each other for anything.
Having these type of programs are very important because we have a generation now where they're given a lot of mis and disinformation in social media, and so they're not taught a lot of skills on how to navigate a social climate. They're always in their phones, and so when it's time to interact, in person, they can be a little, socially reserved. They really benefit from being in a place to help you cultivate it, but also teaches you and just give you a format and a structure of how to move into the world. So we're creating global citizens, but also with civic responsibility.